Hello friends, my name is Umesh Kai and name of my YouTube channel and LinkedIn group is Performance Management in Manufacturing. Today we are discussing the comparison between the traditional manufacturing and cellular manufacturing. Nowadays you are observing lot of example of cellular manufacturing. It is in automobile industry, aviation industry, food industry, then mass production industries are adopting the cellular manufacturing as their regular manufacturing practice. So cellular manufacturing was invented by Ralph Flinders in 1925, and in around 1970 Japanese industries has adopted the cellular manufacturing as their regular manufacturing method. So they have achieved a lot of benefit of this method and they have improved their manufacturing efficiency using the cellular manufacturing. So today we will discuss the comparison between these two methods. So first we will discuss about the traditional manufacturing. So here for understanding we have shared some slides here. So first slide we are showing the 8 stages in the traditional manufacturing. So they are located in different areas in the manufacturing. So there are 8 stages and they are connected with the manufacturing process flow. For understanding we have shown the arrows for that. So in this way the material is flown in the manufacturing stages. So for calculation we have taken the quantity of 200 numbers which should be processed at each stages, and the cycle time of each stage is 2 minutes. For understanding we have taken the similar cycle time for better calculation, and setup time of each work center is 1 hour. So for calculation the lead time, each stage require 2 minute cycle time and 200 numbers is the quantity for process. So it comes around 400 minutes for each stage as the process time, and the total process time is 3200 minutes plus 480 minutes is the setup time. So altogether it comes to 3680 minutes, 3680 minutes. If we convert this lead time into the number of days required to complete the process, so if we consider the 3 shift working, so lead time comes around 2.5 days. So to complete the manufacturing process of all 200 components in all these stages, it requires 2.5 days. This is the lead time of this traditional type of manufacturing process. Now if we consider the cellular manufacturing, the cellular setup of the cellular manufacturing is not similar to the traditional type of manufacturing. In the cellular manufacturing, as you observe, the setup is in the linear form, means it is considered that at one time only single product flows. So these all stages are installed in the single line layout, and these are all connected with the process flow. So similar example we have taken here. There are 8 stages and process quantity is 200 numbers. The cycle time of each stage is 2 minutes and setup time is 60 minutes. Here the advantage of the cellular manufacturing that the all stages can be set at one time, so it requires only 60 minute setup time compared to the 480 minutes of the traditional type of manufacturing. So if we consider the lead time here, so since we can process products simultaneously in this type of layout, means if we consider the product is processed at one stage, at the same time it can be processed on the another, that is second number stage and third number stage, because product is flowing from the cellular manufacturing layout with the help of conveyor belt. Means the disadvantage of the cellular manufacturing is that it requires conveyor belt to move the component from one stage to another stage, and it is high initial installation cost in this type of cellular type of manufacturing. The process time comes around 400 minutes for the all stages. Means since the component is processed simultaneously on all stages, it requires only 400 minutes as the process time. Plus 60 minutes is the setup time, which is also, as I explained, that we can set all the machine at same time. And the 16 minutes, that is 16 minutes is the travel time. Means it takes around 16 minutes to flow the component from first stage to 8th stage. So altogether the lead time come around 476 minutes. If we convert this 476 minutes into the days, it comes around 0.33 days. It is much lower than the 2.56 days of the traditional type of manufacturing. Means it takes around 13% of the with the comparison with the traditional time of manufacturing. So this is the calculation for the lead time for the cellular type of manufacturing. So what are the advantage of the cellular type of manufacturing? It requires less lead time, less inventory, because single product is flowing, inventory generation is almost zero. Better quality, productivity, since the one product is flowing and manufacturing team can concentrate on the one component only at every stage, so they have much time available to focus on the quality and the productivity. Rejection is less material movement, less floor space required comparative to the traditional type of manufacturing, and less manufacturing cost. So if we deduct the initial conveyor installation cost, then the comparison is that the cellular manufacturing requires the lesser cost than the traditional type of manufacturing. So what are the disadvantages? The obvious disadvantage is that it requires high installation cost. Means since it requires conveyor mechanism, so initial installation cost is high. Another disadvantage is that if one machine goes under breakdown, so it can stop all the manufacturing line, because product flow is in the line, so one machine can stop all the line, and total manufacturing line can stop due to that breakdown of one work center. It requires more skilled manpower. The cellular manufacturing requires more skilled manpower. What are the applications? Applications are assembly line, food processing, mass production, pharma and aviation industry. Right now in this type of industry, the cellular manufacturing is used extensively and they are getting benefit out of that also. So this is all about today's video. Now we are closing the video. I hope that you like the video. Then subscribe the video and share the video. Thank you to join my video. Thank you very much.